He needs to make himself conspicuous in the gloom of the forest floor. And he's found a clearing where he might do so. A female. She too is looking for a mate. This could be his moment. Oh dear. Stage fright. And who is this? A male golden pheasant. He too has come to this clearing to attract a female. And he seems a little more confident. So that is how it's done. The Tragopan might still have a chance. Here is a new female. But is she interested? It's time to be bold. He pumps up a pair of horns